Stop buying cheap keyboards or face the wrath of carpal tunnel. Seriously, your wrists will thank you. Trust me, been there, done that. Bluetooth, USB, 2.4 GHz. This AULA F87 Pro does it all, period. No more tangled wires, connect to anything, anywhere, so smooth. OMG, the RGB on this AULA F87 Pro is chef's kiss, like a rave on your desk, but make it aesthetic. This gasket structure, like typing on clouds, not bricks, y'all. Seriously, the AULA F87 Pro is comfy AF. My fingers are living. Listen to this AULA F87 Pro. So silent, like a ninja. Hot swappable, change switches like you change socks. Easy peasy. Customize your AULA F87 Pro. Make it truly yours. No cap.